guys, so we're at Starbucks and we're going to try the tie-dye drink. So we'll see. I'm gonna need you to hold this, dude. Good morning. Can I get the tall tie-dye drink?
Okay.
And that's gonna do it.
Alrighty, 534.
Thank you. Yeah, I have a old car where I have to roll up my windows manually. Big old muscles.
No, that's not disgusting. I did not say it.
Say it again.
Welcome to 20.
I'll count. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to 24family. Hold me. Hold me. Mommy, can I see your tie-dye drink? Can I?
Thank you. So this is it. Oh my god, it smells delicious. It smells delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. It does. I have a car, like.
So am I going first?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's a lot of banana.
What kind of drink?
It's good, but it's like a lot of banana.
I don't like it. No, that's not good.
I'll take it.
Tastes like medicine.
I want a drink.
That straight up tastes like medicine.
I want a drink. I want a drink. Mommy,
You like it?
drink.
Mm-mm. We'll let the kids try it after. Or should we let them try it?
Yeah, I want to try it. Yeah, me.
Well, we're gonna let all the kids try it.
Just a sip. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let go. Let Elliot try it.
That's yummy, Mom.
Elliot is in the perfect shirt for this. Tie-dye shirt, tie-dye drink. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it good? So we'll probably let them have some more when we get home, but we're not gonna let them have it in the car because I don't want it spilt in my car. So yeah.
Wait, where'd my phone go?
See you guys soon. Elliot's gonna start crying, so bye. Say bye, Sierra.
Bye.
Would you get it again?
No.
You wouldn't buy it again.
No, I would get my original.
I definitely would not buy it again either.
I would go back to my original order of a strawberry frappuccino.
Oh yeah.
This just has too much banana in it.
I can't even taste the bananas, so I don't know.
Can we notice it? It dripped it on my shirt.
But this is the end of the video. We decided to try the new Starbucks tie-dye drink, and yeah, it was a bust for me, and she semi likes it because she's finishing it. But yeah, so see you guys in our next video.